Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th to 24th October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as we can see in Euro USD, 0.31% negative move, 1.16505 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So in this weekly chart, if I talk about the candle, we can see a bullish candle with a small to medium body and a big lower and upper wick. Currently stochastic RSI is at around oversold area, which is around 13. So which is indicating us a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. I make such weekly analysis and upload every week so that you get to know what could happen in this week and what I'm expecting for this week. Also, if you don't know what is prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video. Do check that out as well. Currently, if I talk about the on the one-day chart support and resistance zone, there are already some support and resistance which is already marked. We just have to make a few changes that I'm just currently doing. You can do that as well on your chart. So now let's talk about the closing. Here 1.16505 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.6457 and direct resistance is 1.16921. After direct support, there is a support of 1.1600 and then 1.5500. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17168 and then 1.17454. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also here I'll be talking about what could happen in my opinion and also what is my opinion for this week. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing that as well. And also if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have already made a withdrawal payout which will help you to take a better decision and to know that such prop firms also gives you payout on time. And also I have shared about the what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move which is around 1.16000 to 1.16457. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. If you're looking for any positive trade, then only look for positive ones. 1.16921 gets breached, we can go for a long till this high, that is around 1.17282. So this thing is important if you're going for a long bullish trade. Currently my expectation is negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.